is this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 11, 11. Let me give them some more food. If people like, when I put this food, you shit inside it. Inside you. I don't know, listen to read this on now. What is wrong with you? You people should grow. I don't want any of you to buy because when you grow, I will go say you people, I use the money. I will pay Marantantam all the drink I have been drinking in her shop for the past 2 years. I must make sure I clear that debt. Waka waka, I go pay him his money.
Continue.
Then Mmakwara school fees. Mmakwara school fees, yes. I must still make sure that I clear that debt. As long as I say you people. Next month is only the month I'm giving you people. You people should not buy you because if you buy, I will lose. Let me keep this here because I'm coming back now. Yes. Let me go and get them that medicine so that they will not.
My teacher flogged me today. Me, I don't even. What is this thing? Look from here. What is this thing? You are that kid. Whoa. Okay, see the key here, sir. They do all this thing. Oh, which kind of trouble with this? I'm going to see better fowl buy now all this fowl, all these things. Now this one will see if I see. See this one will see. Oh, others they buy turkey. What do I want to get money? They buy chicken big like turkey. What with this one, my father come buy drop for this? What with all this rubbish, banana? Sometimes now you go say Mmakwara. Go and give them food. Mmakwara. Go and put for them water. Mmakwara. Go and sweep their shit. Now what I come this house to come work? Everybody's working.
You prefer buy chicken?
Take.
How can I go? Yeah, can you go? My brother, thank you. Can you eat chicken? Or you some come they buy? Who go trainer? Who go trainer? Na me Mmakwara.
Hey, Mmakwara, I give you go to cook chicken.
I need to make a give you.
Give me.
Take.
God go bless you. God go bless you. Wow.
In fact, come back. Come take. Carry the chicken.
God go bless you. I don't chicken.
Even though another person still come, Mmakwara, when I get chicken, I will say yes. I must share this chicken till we all finish. Can't your chicken be that one?
But how can they tell me to go and buy this one? Buy this one. I don't even know the name of all this antibiotic for fowl. Huh? What is wrong with this? What is happening here? Wait, what happened to this fowl? Mmakwara! Papa, is this, are you? Papa. You are even back?
Yes, Papa.
Are you just returning?
I'm just returning. No, Papa.
What happened to the chicken? I'm seeing that they have shot in. What happened to them?
Papa, this chicken, one big bed. But see that bed big.
What?
One big bed. See that bed big. Papa, now don't see the bed here. Maybe na the bird chop all this chicken, oh papa.
Bird.
Papa, you said that
What kind
bird.
of bird is that?
Papa, I don't know. That bird big well. But now,
You say what kind of bird is that?
but the bird big. I don't know the name. But you see that bird, it big.
You give Chinedu to come carry one, give me. Give
What?
another one now.
Another what? Another what?
Chicken now.
Another,
Another what?
papa, another chicken, papa.
Oh, he gave you chicken.
Yes.
He gave you chicken.
Yes.
Please, my son, don't be offended, eh? Go wherever that chicken is, bring it back. In fact, I'll pay you for that. Eh?
Yes.
Please, will you help me?
Yes.
Who is
Chinedu.
Chinedu? Who is Chinedu?
I don't know the boy, like my classmate.
That he gave you chicken.
Yes. Two.
Go and locate Chinedu.
Yes.
Tell Chinedu to bring back those ones also. Shut up! Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Go and bring it. Come back. I will give you something here. I'm waiting for you here. Come on, go inside.
Papa,
Go inside.
papa, this boy thunder fire you.
Shut up! Look at what is all this now? You don't look at position. Why am I going to this one?